Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi failed to connect to network on Android. Now the first troubleshooting step we can do is by restarting our device. So sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. Just turn off your device, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Another option is to forget and reconnect to the network. So just head to Settings, Network and Internet, and then Wi-Fi. Tap on the network you're trying to connect to and select Forget. Reconnect to the network by entering the password again. Now third, check date and time settings. Just ensure your device's date and time are correct. Incorrect settings can cause network issues. So just head to Settings, then System, and then Date and Time. From there, enable automatic date and time and automatic time zone. Next, you can also reset network settings. So go to Settings, System, and then Reset Options. From there, select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. Confirm the reset and try reconnecting to the Wi-Fi network. Next one, we have check for MAC address restrictions. Some networks use MAC address filtering to restrict access. Ensure your device's MAC address is allowed on the network. Head to Settings, About Phone, Status, Wi-Fi MAC address. Next, we have Update Your Device. So just ensure your device is running the latest software version. To check this, head to Settings, and then System, and then System Update. Check for updates and install if available. We also have to restart your router, as sometimes the issue might be with the router itself. Restart it by unplugging it for a few seconds and then plugging it back in. Now lastly, we can assign a static IP address. To do this, head to Settings, Network and Internet, and then Wi-Fi. Tap on the network you're trying to connect to, then tap Advanced. From there, change IP settings to static and enter the necessary details. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.